छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज,
भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
Born on 14th May 1657 at Purandar Fort, Sambhaji was the only son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Saibai. From childhood, he was trained in Sanskrit, Marathi, Persian and military tactics. His intellect matched his valor. By age 9, he could recite Sanskrit texts and debate philosophy. But beneath this brilliance burned a fierce warrior spirit destined for the battlefield. As he grew, Sambhaji displayed unmatched courage. When Shivaji passed away in 1680, Sambhaji rose to the throne at just 23 years old. He inherited not peace, but a kingdom surrounded by enemies. The Mughals led by Aurangzeb, and treacherous alliances testing the young ruler's resolve. Yet, Sambhaji was no ordinary king. His first command, never surrender Bharat's freedom. Sambhaji led from the front, defeating Mughal generals like Mukarrab Khan and Junaid Khan. His guerrilla tactics kept Aurangzeb's massive army on edge. He rescued families, secured forts, and expanded the Maratha navy. But beyond the sword, Sambhaji was a poet and scholar, too, authoring Buddhbhushanam, a Sanskrit masterpiece on ethics and dharma, proving that wisdom and warfare could coexist. In 1689 came the tragic climax. Sambhaji was betrayed and captured by Aurangzeb's forces near Sangameshwar. The emperor offered him life in exchange for conversion to Islam. Sambhaji refused, proudly declaring, "I shall die as a Hindu, as a son of Bharat." For this defiance, he faced brutal torture. For weeks his eyes gouged, tongue cut, and limbs torn. Yet he uttered not a cry of surrender. His martyrdom ignited the Maratha spirit like never before. Every drop of his blood became a call for vengeance. His death united the scattered Maratha forces, who continued the war until Aurangzeb himself fell broken and defeated. Even today, Sambhaji Maharaj stands as a symbol of fearless defiance, a ruler who chose dharma over life and whose sacrifice echoes in every chant of Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
Please like, comment and subscribe. भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज।